Fukle is one of the most anticipated songs, not for anyone else, but for myself, because मैंने ऐसा song, ऐसा item dance कभी किया नहीं है, और I don't come from a dance background. मेरे लिए ये चीज़ें बहुत pro नहीं है. I'm not a pro at dancing. So जब एक ऐसे item number आपको दिया जाता है, and especially with Saregama, with so much of, and इतना प्रेशर था because entire Saregama team was like, Nia, we are rooting for you, this song is our original song and we have so many hopes from this. So मैं उतनी nervous होती चली गई. So all I could do was just, I started cycling more, I started working out more, I stopped eating. Rehearsals, जहाँ एक एक घंटे की rehearsals होती है, मैं वहाँ 3-3 घंटे rehearsal hall में रहती थी because I was so nervous, I was so under pressure, and I did not know that I'll be able to pull this kind of a song off, because हमने अपनी country में I think the best item numbers have been churned out. The women, take it Katrina Kaif or Malaika Arora Khan, or Chamma Chamma, Urmila Matondkar. So these kind of songs are there, and then this was there. So I didn't want to be a mediocre. So मैंने अपनी जान दी इस song के लिए. I think my best, but फिर भी अगर नहीं निकल के आया, I am sorry, but I was very very happy, and how I'm looking, yes, I loved myself in this. I'm sorry.
साइकिलिंग के साथ साथ डाइटिंग भी की आपने?
मैंने डाइटिंग नहीं, मैंने खाना ही छोड़ दिया था. मतलब I didn't know, because it is just my thing, once something, I wanted to look very very fit for this song. I wanted to do full justice to the outfit that they had given me. It's like a full kamariya, and so I just wanted to, I don't know. So एक दिन नहीं, मैंने 7 दिन शायद I'd been eating just quinoa and little food, and I don't know, और रिहर्सल करते करते कई बार चक्कर भी आ जाते थे बीच में. But I just went all out, and I'm so happy this is the outcome of the song. And once एक चीज़, एक प्रोडक्ट अच्छा निकल के आता है, so आपकी सारी मेहनत इक्वल हो जाती है. तो मैं एक दिन में I think जिम किया और साइकिलिंग किया. मतलब मैं I think I had fever also one night. I didn't know इतना कुछ, मतलब exertion का अलग level था. But this is what I wanted to give to this.
Yeah, you're a go-getter, and इतनी आपने मेहनत करी है. Cycling of course has been all over, and now we know it was for Fukle. अब आप अपने आप को screen पे देखते हो. How happy are you to see yourself? Of course, you're looking lovely, and we feel the song on you. It's looking lovely. So what do you have to say on that?
I feel that the nervousness level goes to another this thing, because सब बहुत expect करते हैं मेरे से, मेरी looks, मेरा ये. तो मैं हमेशा अपने इतना psyched out हो जाती हूँ that I have a meltdown. I think I have cried before this song, because मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा था that I will be able to do anything. I will look nice. So there is so much of headache that I take. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता. So I had many meltdowns before I did this, and I had jitters, and I shiver and everything. I've gone through all those phases just to make it right, just to look right, and even to get one look right, it takes like 100 efforts from my side. I don't know, but if it's just
you always look glamorous, but you're looking gorgeous, and there's such a nice factor to the whole song. The clothes, the look,
Yes.
the hair, makeup. So what's been your input in the whole, putting it together? Because we know you are, a complete diva when it comes to style. So what do you have to say on that?
That's what I just said. I did everything I could, whatever was in my hand. The Saregama team had rested their faith in me. I didn't want to let them down. Every day, I think Rashna, Radhika, everybody, the business head, they used to text me. And even after the song came, I think the business head of Saregama texted me that you will be proud of yourself when the song comes out. Then they wanted me to see the song. So I realized that they are so happy. I'm sure it must have been something nice. So I did what I could, and I'm very happy this song is there.
koimoi.com